Yes, my beautiful people. Big up on yourself. True Jamaican vibes. Fire read. So, yeah, man, you don't know it's part me there with our Westmoreland. Yeah, man, we up on the car there. We up on the coastline there. We are in Bluefields area. Yeah, man, I show you one river. Yeah, man, it's have a keep your body hydrated because we're going to one river tour today. And I'm going to show you what I'm going. So just check out the video. Keep in tune. One love, one happy. Yeah, man, see there? Yeah, man, so I have to be careful when I go down on the river, you know. Yeah, man, so my eyes are yours are here and the great Barry Dan. Yeah, man, it's a TikToker. Yeah, man, see them people. I have to take the time and go down there and yeah, so we love it, you know. So my people, as me I say, feel free to come to Jamaica and enjoy yourself. A lot of places you can go, a lot of quiet places, off grid also. So to come to Jamaica man and enjoy it. Yeah man, and anyone I watch from, big up on yourself, you know? And you know say I'm a tour guide. Fire read. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Yeah man, you see it? You know like up the video yet, you know. Like up the video. Free of cost. I'm gonna show you what Jamaica is like, the beauty in this place. Yeah. Man, I go down there now, you know. Yeah man, I tell you say hear the sound of the water. Yeah, I hear the sound of the water right here. Nice and beautiful, you know? Yeah, the water is very nice. Yeah, man, so I take a journey, man. I take off the shoes and go into the water, see you know? Some place here we have to come, but I enjoy myself. You know? My eyes are yours are here and all great. Yeah, man. So, when you say my eyes are yours?
Oh God, man. People, yo, trust me, man. That's so decent. The water cool, the water nice, and the water pretty. So, guys, one, when you not pass Bluefields, you know, guess what? So, when you not come from airport, on the airport trip, you know, public vehicle, a private vehicle, rather. When you're in the private vehicle, you can stop and you can cool off the car and stress at the time. You know, they driving get to know sometimes. So you can just stop us and wash off on the foot, man. Because people trust me. Water nice.
Yes, man.
Water decent. So far, read because yourself.
Yeah, man. I see the great Barry
Barry
down do the
done.
same way.
Yourself,
Them are catching videos, them and capturing videos. Yeah, man. So, it's a YouTube, it's a TikToker. Check the Barry down for TikTok, you know? Yeah, man. And full page for YouTube, same way. So, check him out. Full package, yeah, man. Check him out, same way. Yeah, man. We enjoy yourself and shoot some epic video, you know? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, walk up the stream, same way, you know? Oh, water nice. Wow. Watch them view on the paper. Up there, so, at the road. Remember, so with the Westmoreland area. Sound of the water. You don't hear the sound of the water. Yeah, man. Oh, I go downstream and show you what I want to see. Yo, yo, look at the people. Water nice. Aye. Yeah, man, I have to be careful when I walk, you know. Be careful. Ah, what? Tell you no. So there's nothing cannot beat this life in Jamaica, my people. Nothing can beat it. Real Jamaican life, real river life. I take me look at time I go down. You want to see it there? You want to see what go on there? Under the tunnel, you know. Yeah, it's a good look. Yeah, man, we're there for the journey, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, the boss. Everything look.
Nice, you know.
Because nice, trust me. And the beauty about it is that stones are not slippery. Stones are not slippery.
So inspiring. Inspiring.
Bluefields. We have Bluefields. Westmoreland, Bluefields. So right now, my people, when you when you go at the peak, it is further down. If there's no water there to rinse off, you can come up here. People normally come here, the truckers, who luggages and sand and all of those things. Right now, here to them come and then rinse off themselves in the water. So people, a good look. Lovely place, brother. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God. Tell you. So water come from, like, where the water there come from? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Great Barrier. Yeah, man. Look on them view on the people. Yeah, man. That's it. Look at you over there. Very, very nice people. Jamaica, nice people. Beautiful Jamaica. In the Westmoreland area, guys. Stick and stay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, we always cross a bridge. Always cross this bridge. This bridge is in the Bluefields area. You know the river? You know, yeah, the river. So we always cross a bridge. So I'm sitting down right under the bridge. So we need to come and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area, guys. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. True Jamaican vibes. Fire. Yeah, man. It's nothing like this beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. Yes, people. I think if I come so far and I wash my face. I wash my face. You know what? You feel like, yeah, it's a beauty to be in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, man. Irie. Look downstream, guys. Look at this. It's a beauty. Yeah, man. So, this is our beautiful island, Jamaica, in the Westmoreland Parish. Yeah, man. It's nice. It's a nice look. Water running. Very, very nice stream. You can go way up the stream. So, when you come in the Bluefields area, you need to check out them place, yeah. Check out them places. Man, so, see if we can walk back on the main. So, we want to get one heap of lot of water video. So, I go up on the main you know. So, I go on. Yeah, man, we are doing a journey. Yeah, man. So bury that them never say no. Yeah, man, see the boss them never say enjoy the river, you man, see it? Yeah, man, see the boss them there, you know? Yes, man, cool. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man, manners, man. Right up here, so man. Up, 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 up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man, so back out on the main, you know? So, yes, my beautiful people, thanks again for watching the video. Really appreciate it. And this is the way to go. in our beautiful island, Jamaica. Come and enjoy Jamaica with your tour guide, Fire Reed. Wow. Yeah, man.